Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Aamna Shahbaz, subject specialist in English at Divisional Public School and College Sahiwal. Nouns. Dear students, today we shall study nouns from Oxford Grammar Tree. This is the chapter number 1. In this chapter we shall study nouns and noun forms of verbs, common and proper nouns, abstract and concrete nouns. Objectives. To enable the students to be familiar with different kinds of nouns, to develop understanding to differentiate between common and proper, abstract and concrete nouns. Nouns. Nouns are names of persons, places, animals or things. In the example A, Ashley bought some pencils from the shop around the corner. And in the example B, Japan is a small country, but Tokyo is one of the most densely populated cities of the world. In the two sentences given above, the italicized and highlighted words are examples of nouns. Ashley is the name of a person, pencils are the names of the things, shop and corner are the names of the places, Japan is the name of a place, country is the name of a place, Tokyo is the name of a place, city and word as well. Nouns. Noun forms of verbs. Task for students, exercise A. Now we shall see different types of noun forms which are formed from the verbs. Nouns, exercise A, page number 1. Dear students, you will see this exercise on page number 1. Fill in the noun forms of the words provided in the brackets. Here you will see after every blank there are verbs in the brackets. Arrive, hot, see, know, equal, proud, way, present, life, proud. All these verbs given in brackets can be changed into nouns. Here I have a list of verbs and their noun forms. From exercise A. Arrive, its noun form is arrival. Hot, its noun form is hotness. See, its noun form is sight. Know, its noun form is knowledge. Equal, its noun form is equality. Proud, its noun form is pride. Weigh, its noun form is weight. Present, its noun form is presence. Life, its noun form is life. Proud, its noun form is pride. In example 6 and 10, pride has been repeated. Here you will see exercise A. Now we shall see the answers. You have 1 minute to think to solve exercise A. Now we will solve exercise A and check the answers one by one. You have 1 minute to think and look at the exercise A, and then fill in the noun forms of the verbs provided in the brackets. Here we have changed arrive into arrival, and the noun form of arrive is arrival. You will see his arrival is at 7 o'clock. Here we have changed hot into hotness, and the answer is the hotness and humidity in this weather saps everyone's energy. So will we see all the noun forms in bold and underlined form in the sentence. The sight before her frightened her. His knowledge of physics made him the favorite of our physics teacher. Equality is something no human being should have to fight for. His father took great pride in telling people about his son's result. Mr. Rice has lost a lot of weight lately. His presence at her concert meant a lot to his daughter. Life is precious, do not waste it. Pride comes before fall. Here you will see all the words arrival, hotness, sight, knowledge, equality, pride, weight, presence, life, pride. All the bold and underlined words are the noun forms for their verbs. Proper nouns and common nouns. Proper nouns. Names of particular persons, places, things or animals. Examples: Rita, Kohad, Jupiter, Oreos. Rita is the name of a person, Kohat is the name of a place, Jupiter is the name of a planet, and Oreo an animal. Common nouns. Name of any person, place, or thing in general. Examples: lady, school, cat, fan, and straw. Now, for the follow-up of common and proper nouns, we have the task for students. Task 1. Write your introduction using at least 5 proper nouns on your homework notebook. Task 2. Write a list of 5 common nouns from the things of your daily use. Concrete nouns. Abstract nouns. Now we shall study 2 different types of nouns and their difference. Now we shall see the difference between concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are those that can be touched or seen by hand, which can be perceived by our 5 senses. Examples: table, element, hammer, train, school, park, station, teacher, pencil, eraser, etc. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns cannot be felt by the 5 senses. They speak of ideas, feelings, and concepts. For example, anger, thickness, etc. Abstract nouns cannot be touched by our hand. They are intangible. To understand concrete and abstract nouns, here we have the follow-up exercise B for the students. Nouns, exercise B, page number 3. Relate the concrete nouns in the first column with the abstract nouns in the second. Here the first one has been done for you. Tower has been related to the height of the abstract nouns. You will see in the column of abstract nouns, all the words are which can be perceived by senses but cannot be touched. But here concrete nouns, sugar, knife, sea, tower, snakes, wrestler, dolphin, snow, fire, dog, we can touch all these things. Dear students, you will see 2 different columns of exercise B. You will see concrete nouns and abstract nouns. In the column of concrete nouns, you will see sugar, knife, sea, tower, snakes, wrestlers, dolphins, snow, fire, dog. In the abstract nouns, you will see height, strength, loyalty, intelligence, sweetness, sharpness, vastness, heat, cold, and fear. Now it's the time for you to check your answers. Concrete nouns, sugar, knife, sea, tower. Concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Both the columns have been matched. Sugar with sweetness, knife with sharpness, sea, vastness, tower with height, snakes with fear, wrestlers with strength, dolphins with intelligence, snow with cold, fire with heat, and dog with loyalty. Thank you. That's all for today.